Hi, Neely Nathan with Expert Village. We're talking about whole foods today, and I'm demonstrating some good ideas for you to get you on the road to eating a more whole food diet. During the day, most of us are busy, busy, busy. For lunch, we just want to grab something and be back at our desk. Well, such is life. But we can still make good lunch choices. Here are some ideas to help you out. Why not put a bag of shredded carrots? Take it to the office. When you feel like you want a snack or on the way out the door, you got your carrots. Another good thing is some raw almonds. Almonds are very high in protein and an excellent source for a whole food. Or some fresh strawberries. You can also pack this in your lunch. Another good thing I want to share with you is almond butter. This is raw, creamy, unsalted almond butter. It does have a little bit of saturated fat, just 1 gram, but it's got 11 grams of monounsaturated fat and 3 grams of polyunsaturated fat. Those are the two good fats. Fats give you energy, and then carbohydrates give you energy, and then protein. So it's a myth that you want to cut out your fat, especially if you're dieting and you're trying to lose those extra pounds. If you add a little bit of the good fat, it's been proven that you will lose weight. So, 8 grams of protein, very good. So why don't you try some raw almond butter next time you're at the health food store. It's very creamy and very delicious.